Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the most from your Toyota Land Cruiser. We will explore its legendary design and capabilities. This iconic vehicle is celebrated globally for its incredible reliability and ability to conquer nearly any terrain. Owners often report their Land Cruisers lasting for hundreds of thousands of miles, a testament to its engineering. We will cover key aspects to help you understand and appreciate this remarkable machine. The Land Cruiser's reputation for durability is well-earned, built on decades of proven performance in the harshest environments. Its robust chassis and powerful engine options, often a 5.7-liter V8, deliver impressive capability. With features like multi-terrain select and crawl control, it navigates challenging landscapes with ease. This vehicle is engineered to withstand significant abuse and continue performing reliably for many years. To ensure your Land Cruiser lasts for decades, consistent maintenance is key. Adhering to the manufacturer's service schedule, including routine fluid checks and replacements, is vital. Pay close attention to the differential fluids and transfer case, especially if you frequently engage four-wheel drive. Proper tire rotation and alignment also contribute significantly to its longevity and safe operation. These simple steps will help preserve its legendary reliability. The Land Cruiser is a favorite platform for customization, allowing owners to tailor it for specific adventures. From adding robust roof racks for extra cargo to installing upgraded lighting systems for night trails, the possibilities are vast. Many enthusiasts opt for suspension modifications, gaining an additional 2 or 3 inches of lift. These enhancements not only personalize the vehicle, but also boost its already impressive off-road capabilities, making it ready for any expedition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.